Hi,
Hi, Maria.
and Diana here.
February is a busy month this year, so we'd like to talk about three important dates: February 12th, February 14th, and February 26th, and what you could do in classes this month.
In 2021, Chinese New Year festival falls on February 12th. Chinese New Year, also known as Spring Festival or Lunar New Year, has more than 4,000 years of history and is the longest holiday of the year.
It is the grandest festival in China with a 7-day long holiday. So most people in China have at least 7 days off work.
Also, it is the year of the ox, according to the Chinese zodiac, so you can incorporate the images of oxen in your reward systems. The other things you can try discussing or showing in the classes are lanterns and hongbao, which are known as red packets. Students' faces immediately light up at the sight of hongbao because they know what to expect to find inside. Money!
You might notice your students wearing red. You might even see a symbol hung someplace in their house. You see it painted as a decoration everywhere on wind chimes, paintings, lanterns, pots, and posters. It's called Fu, and it is a character of good fortune or luck. It is usually hung upside down during the Spring Festival, as most Chinese families believe that hanging it upside down would cause good fortune to literally descend down on their house.
Chinese New Year is simply the most important holiday in Chinese culture. The most important meal of the year is the New Year's Eve reunion dinner. Some of the food that's served is hot pot, steamed fish, dumplings, spring rolls, longevity noodles, rice balls,
Tang Yuan,
or
Yuan Xiao,
and rice cake or New Year cake, also known as.
Yuan Gao. Note that fortune cookies are not Chinese, so it's actually highly likely that your students will have absolutely no idea what they are. So just avoid using those.
Yanggao can be sweet or savory.
You can try showing your students a variety of nian gao and ask them to describe what they usually eat and what flavor it is. It's a good way to learn something from your students while teaching.
February 14th is not celebrated in China, but you can share what you normally do on this date with your students. They enjoy learning about the Western culture.
As we've mentioned earlier, Chinese New Year officially begins on February 12th this year, and the celebrations culminate with the Lantern Festival on February 26, 2021, which was also the true Chinese Valentine's Day back in the ancient times. During this festival, people would write riddles on the lanterns, so how about sharing some of your favorite riddles with your students? The trademark food of the Lantern Festival are glutinous rice balls with sweet fillings made of syrup, red bean paste, black sesame paste, or more.
Well, that will be all. Bye
Bye bye!
bye.